Hello cookbook friends and welcome to the Cookbook Divas YouTube channel. My name is Katie. I am really excited to look through the Fireside Food for Winter Cold Nights cookbook. This is by Lizzie Kamenetzky. I believe this is a Ryland Peterson small cookbook. So they're usually pretty good about giving us really awesome, simple recipes with great photos. So let's get started. I mean, this is a beautiful photo. This is how I want my winter night to look all the time. So we have, starting here, oh man, a lot of the, I'm dying here a little bit. Sorry. Okay, we've got winter salads in small plates. Dumplings and noodles. Ooh, that's cool. We have hearty soups and stews. Then we have gratins and melting cheese. Next we have fireside suppers. Then we have sweet bakes and fork cakes. Winter desserts. And then warming drinks. So very cool. This is all encompassing wintertime. It's beautiful. Wow. I love this. It's beautiful. All right. So winter salads in small plates. I think these are croquettes. That's a great idea for little snacks. There's a salad paysan. Peasant salad, I guess, is what this is actually called or translated to. So we have, a description of, that's how I knew what the salad was, a description of this dish, where it comes from potentially, and then we have on the side here all of the ingredients, and then on the right hand side we have the instructions. Again, photos are gorgeous. We see the salad here in the snow. I don't know how I'd feel about having a salad in the snow, but we'll see. This has a lot of hearty stuff in it that sounds pretty tasty. Salad mille. This is from a Swiss village, actually. This is cool. Here is a chicken liver parfait. I don't know how I feel about that. I have tried it before. It was too dry. Pork rillettes. Oh, these are cute. Look at how small this is. It's like a tiny little bite for everybody. I'm trying to see, so on the very bottom here, it says underneath all of the ingredients how many people it serves, which is really nice. If you've got like a little gathering for like the later part of wintertime, this would be a great way of having a great feast for all of your friends. It's all hearty and warm. Here's a morteau sausage and creamy lentils. Yum. I love these dishes. They're very elegant. I was not expecting the sophistication. We have a rosti. This is a buttery fried potato. And then we have Parmesan and ricotta cheesecake. Okay, I've never thought about doing a savory cheesecake, but now my whole world is being turned upside down. I'm not even going to try to pronounce that, but this looks fantastic. It looks like a gorgeous onion. It's a delightful onion bread. So that's actually the translation. And I'm not seeing where this is actually from, but it looks really good. This would be great just to take with you on a nice snowy walk or whatnot, a little snack. We have a spinach and anchovy tart. I love the photos of all the winter scenes. We don't get a lot of that in Seattle, so it's kind of, I wish we did. We have a gnocchi with wild mushrooms. This looks really tasty. I love the mushrooms. They're beautiful, just gorgeous mushrooms that they use. And this is a very comforting dish. This would be really tasty for winter time. Here we continue our wonderful, beautiful fireplace scene. So this chapter, let me see what the chapter is called. Hearty soups and stews. Perfect for winter time. We have the classic French onion soup. A beer soup, but we also have something called a pâté. So basically it's just stew with meat and vegetables and cabbage. Celeriac and parsnip veloute, which means veloute or veloute, means velvety in French. Goulash soup, yum. Rocky Mountain stew. A cassoulet. Interesting. This is a slow-cooked dish of beans and pork and confit duck. Yum. This would probably be super comforting. I love that this book would be this book would be fantastic if you had a winter cabin somewhere, if you go skiing and then you come home, make this really wonderful homey dish, and then you can, after a really long day of skiing, it's really awesome. We have gratins and melting cheese. I'm sorry, this is my weak point here. Swiss chard gratin. There's also a gratin dauphinoise. Oh goodness, here's the French. Sorry, I apologize. A croûte au fromage. There's a pizzo cherry. Wow, I am so surprised by this book. There's a lot of gorgeous dishes in here. A traditional cheese fondue, which I love this scene because this would be fantastic during wintertime, having all the snow, and then you've got a beautiful, fondue right there in front of you. That would be super heartwarming. Mac and cheese and poutine. I'm glad that they've provided some of that because it looks so, so good. And it's simple, classic. We have regular supper dishes in here too. A diot is apparently pork or pork and cabbage cooked in white wine with croissettes. This looks really good. Sausage and choucroute. Goodness gracious, there's a lot of dishes I've never heard of in here. This is really fantastic. A schnitzel with warm potato salad. Yum. Venison fillets with brandy sauce. Yeah, oh, that sounds delicious. And it doesn't look very elaborate, and you could probably pick whatever side you'd want to have with it. You could have one of those awesome, you could have the macaroni and cheese if you wanted to. But there's a lot of really awesome dishes. Osso buco with risotto. Oh, yum. All right, let's see what else we've got. Here's some bread, like just bread recipes. There's brioche. This is a pan au raisin. Raisin bread, I'm assuming. Raisin roll. Gorgeous photo again. I'm seeing a lot of tart tatans and galettes. That's a great addition. And then we have an apple strudel, which looks amazing. Baked apples with calvados. That looks really good. And this probably is a little more difficult than it sounds, just baking apples, because there's quite a few ingredients in here, and there's more instructions in this one than there were in that raisin roll, so I'm sure there's some tricks that they provide. Butter tarts, prune and Armagnac souffle. Oh goodness. So, okay, this surprised me. This is not what I expected. I thought we were gonna get some more I guess there's probably rustic foods in here, but like way more Americanized. This is really awesome. It's very elegant. I could see this being a great cookbook if you got a cabin for skiing, if you guys get a lot of snow, and it's just very sophisticated, elegant, beautiful dishes. And they all seem, my mouth is watering. I'm having a problem, but these sound really awesome and warming all throughout the year, or mostly for winter, but this is a great cookbook. I love it. I love how it's designed. The photography is just to die for. So definitely check this out. It's gorgeous. This is Fireside Food for Cold Winter Nights. This is by Lizzie Kamenetzky, and the photography, because it's just gorgeous, is by Nassima Rothacker. Beautiful cookbook. Definitely check it out. If you got a lot of snow, if you got, all that stuff I mentioned before, very cool. Check it out. If you guys want more cookbook content, come join us on Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest, and our podcast. We do a lot of weekly roundups on our podcast, so any new cookbooks coming out, we will probably provide that for you, especially big name ones. I know there's so many coming out starting in March, so be careful. I know I'm trying to prepare my wallet for all these amazing cookbooks, so definitely stay tuned for that. If you guys like this channel, make sure to subscribe and to like and comment down below. It really helps us out, and spread the word to all your friends. We love sharing cookbooks. If there's something you guys want to see, let us know down below. That would be super helpful. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see you next time.